BBL optimally delivers infrared and visible light, penetrating through the epidermis and dermis, stimulating changes at the molecular level and visible changes in the dermis. The gene expression of older, damaged skin cells changes and will more closely resemble the genes expressed in younger skin cells. These genes are involved with aging and longevity, and many are associated with increased lifespan. The cells are reinvigorated, and over time, the skin looks much younger. There are visible improvements in skin firmness, elasticity, and pigmentation. With regular BBL treatments, the skin is clear, smooth, and more youthful.